In this lecture, we look at the final steps to finish your research report. The abstract is a summary of your research and includes all the elements of your report, from the introduction to the findings. The largest portion of the abstract should consist of the findings of your study and recommendations. This is the general layout of an abstract. Many journals require that one use the headings to separate the sections of the abstract. You can do so if you wish. The adage of first impressions last is just as applicable for research documents as for personal first meetings. A research report that is of outstanding quality will go a long way in creating a positive image of you, your abilities, and your research. When you read through your work, remember to help the reader follow your train of thought by linking everything together. The two examples illustrate how transitional paragraphs or sentences can be used to guide the reader through your document. Read your work out loud to yourself. Some institutions require all documents to be language edited. However, if it is not the requirement of the institution where you plan to conduct your studies, you still need to make sure your document contains as few mistakes as possible. The hints provided here will help your writing. It will also make it easier to read. You can pause the video here to make a note of the suggestions. The last thing you will be in the mood for would be to work through your entire document again. However, it is strongly recommended that you do. Make sure there is a clear thread throughout your document, linking all the parts together.